Okay, as the initial step, you have to go to Start menu, go to Setting. Under the System section, scroll down and come to the Troubleshoot option. Tap on Other Troubleshooters. Select Windows Update, tap on Run. It will find the problems related with Windows Update. Once it is fixed that issue, you can try to update it again. Again, you need to go to search bar, search for Services, tap on Services app. Find the Windows Update from the list. Okay, it is right here. Right click on it, go to Properties. Make sure startup type as automatic. If it is manual, you have to change into automatic. Then after, stop the service and start the service again. Tap on Apply, tap on OK. Then after, make sure your system has enough storage to update your computer. To find that, go to Start menu, go to Setting, scroll down, come to the Storage option, tap on Temporary Files. Make sure to delete all the unnecessary files. If it is not necessary, tap on Remove Files. Then after, go back, scroll down, tap on Cleanup Recommendations. In here also, select all the files. If it is not necessary, tap on Cleanup. Again, go to search bar, search for CMD. Sorry about that. CMD like this. Right click on the command prompt, tap on Run as Administrator. You need to type DISM online cleanup image restore health like this format. Then tap on OK, hit enter. Once it is completed, you need to type SFC scan now and hit enter. Process is completed. You have to restart your computer. And if you are using extra hardware disable third party antivirus, so you have to disable that antivirus software temporarily and disconnect all the external USB drives kind of things. If it is not fixed, you can again go to search bar, type Run, tap on the application. In this time, you have to type msconfig like this, tap on OK. Go to Services tab, tick the Hide All Microsoft Services option, go to Startup tab, tap on Open Task Manager. In the status section, all the enabled applications should be disabled. Tap on Disable to do that all the applications. Once it is done, you can close this one. Okay, you can manually install Windows Update by go to your browser, type Windows Update Catalog, choose the first option, that is official website. So you can see the update is has KB number. So you have to enter that KB number in the search bar. Then after, tap on Search. So you can see all the KB number list from here. You can manually download that update and install on your computer. If it is not working, you have to re-download the original Windows 11 from Windows Microsoft website. Then after, try to reinstall it again. And if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and like in this video.